The greatest skill in dental sleep medicine is not clinical skill. It's not clinical knowledge. It's not your degree. It's not your diplomat status. The greatest asset you have in dental sleep medicine is communication. Because with communication, you can convince people to do what is best for themselves. With communication, you can take someone who is on the fence about what's doing right for their own health and well-being, and you can take them from being apathetic to being motivated. That is why communication is your greatest asset, and it should be your greatest investment in dental sleep medicine. If you're going to any dental sleep medicine course or program, seek out the lectures that are talking and focused on communication. Again, the clinical stuff, it's necessary, but the clinical knowledge that you have is less often than not. It's just not going to be what gets the patient to move forward with treatment. Your ability to communicate effectively and help that patient feel like they're understood, that's what's going to get them to move forward with treatment. So start focusing on communication, more so in dental sleep medicine possibly than the clinical side. Stay up to date with your clinical, but focus on communication.